Hello and welcome to Innovin Foods. I'm Nahida and today we are making a fun, crispy and flavorful snack, chicken bread balls. These are soft buns filled with spicy chicken and veggies. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, take 1 cup flour, add 1 egg, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. These bread balls are inspired by stuffed buns but with a deep fried twist. They are perfect for parties. You can make the dough and filling ahead of time. Now pour in 1/4 cup of warm milk. Mix well and knead into a soft dough. The outer crust becomes super crispy after frying, while the inside stays soft. This dish is a big hit with both kids and adults alike. Rub a little oil on top and keep it aside for 40 minutes to rise. Let the dough rest well, it helps the bread turn soft and fluffy. Now prepare the chicken filling. Take 1 cup chicken. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon garam masala, a pinch of turmeric, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, add 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 egg, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix everything well and let it marinate for 10 minutes. Now heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add the marinated chicken. Cook on medium heat while stirring continuously. It should take about 7 to 8 minutes. Remove the cooked chicken from the pan. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon oil, 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 2 tablespoons capsicum, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili sauce, and 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Add in the cooked chicken. Stir and cook for 1 more minute. Then set it aside. Now back to the dough. Divide it into small pieces and shape into balls. Chicken is a lean protein that helps keep you full longer. Capsicum and onions add antioxidants and crunch. Beat 1 egg in a bowl. Dip each dough ball in the egg mixture. Then coat it with breadcrumbs. Now heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Fry the balls until they turn golden brown. Make sure the oil is medium hot. Too hot and the outside will burn too fast. You can bake them instead of frying for a healthier version. You can use whole wheat flour for added fiber. Frying in controlled oil temperature reduces oil absorption. Let them cool down for 5 minutes. Then gently cut them open. Spread a little mayonnaise. Add cheese inside for an extra gooey surprise. Then fill with the cooked chicken and veggie mix. Have you ever tried stuffing bread with chicken before? Comment your favorite snack below. We would love to try it. And that's it, crispy, spicy and totally satisfying chicken bread balls. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video if you enjoyed it. And subscribe to Enoven Foods for more easy and tasty recipes. See you in the next video.